These heat pumps are made in Canada by Wolf Steel and they are sold throughout North America through a limited dealer network. The CS18 models are ultimate heat pumps with state-of-the-art inverter compressors, and the units can provide 100% of their heating capacity down to -5 degrees outdoor temperature. The units are Wi-Fi enabled and are relatively quiet in operation with a noise level of 55 decibels, which is much less than normal adult conversation. The units are horizontal discharge compact units, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands, as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has become the industry standard. The brand does not offer single-stage or two-stage models that would qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Basic and Premium categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.